Today we're going to be replacing a pollen filter on this Volkswagen Transporter T6.1. It's practically the same job for the T5, T5.1 and T6, so let's see how it's done. So we're in the passenger footwell area of this T6.1, and the first job you've got to do is remove this little piece of trim. I have semi-prepped it, but it just pops out. It can be quite stiff for this little lower trim panel. And just remember to disconnect any light fittings that you happen along the way. You're not going to need many tools. This is a 1/4 inch tool with a 5.5mm head. 5.5 is a little bit slack on it, but it does work. And under here, there is a cartridge which goes all the way under this glove box. It might be slightly easier to take the glove box out, but we'll find out that as we go along. So I'm just going to undo that bolt. So once you've unscrewed it, the little hatch cover comes off. And then you can bring out your filter and all the bits of leaves and all sorts of stuff. And we'll have a look and see why we need to replace this. Alright, okay, right, so this is pretty bad, this filter. And that's why it's doing its job. And this vehicle's got air conditioning, so quite often you get the carbon filters for it, and just sort of helps keep the moisture out of the system. But that's got loads of crud in it, and you're very well worth replacing that every year. And so that's the new filter. As you can see, well, you wouldn't expect any bits and pieces in it, so colour difference is quite significant. So main thing to remember when you're putting the new filter in is you get the airflow correct. So that's how that one came out. So I will be putting it in that way with the airflow going towards the driver. Okay, so just kind of negotiate it in. And then we need our little door, and that should stay in if it's right. It's home, and then we can secure it with a screw, and then we'll get our plastic trim, connect the light back up, and don't forget to put these little legs into their locators up the top there. There's a couple of legs on some of the other vans, T5s, T5.1s, and just locate any clip as necessary, and it should just snap home. That one's reluctant. Alright, I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.